If you're considering buying from Maui Pineapple Store, there are a few important things you need to know before you take the plunge. I've used their service, and there are some points that could save you money and time, so make sure you stick around until the end. First off, Maui Pineapple Store stands out by offering a direct-to-consumer experience, which cuts out the middleman. This means they offer competitive prices for premium pineapples compared to other high-end fruit suppliers. In my experience, their pineapples are exceptionally fresh and flavorful, especially when compared to what you get at your local supermarket. While other stores often sell pineapples that have been sitting on shelves for days, Maui Pineapple delivers them straight from the farm, ensuring that they're ripe and juicy. Next thing to consider is the variety of pineapples they offer. Unlike most competitors, which typically carry just one or two standard pineapple varieties, Maui Pineapple Store gives you access to specialty varieties, like the Maui Gold pineapple. This variety is known for its sweeter, less acidic flavor, which makes a huge difference in taste. If you're looking for a more gourmet pineapple experience, this is a huge selling point. The third thing is shipping. While many fruit delivery services have long waiting times and high delivery costs, Maui Pineapple Store offers fast and reliable shipping. If you order from them, you can expect your pineapples to arrive fresh and on time. They also pack them carefully to avoid damage, which is a big plus compared to competitors who often don't take the same level of care. The fourth thing is their subscription service. Maui Pineapple Store offers a subscription where you can get fresh pineapples delivered regularly. This is ideal for people who enjoy their pineapples consistently. It's a more flexible option than most fruit subscription services out there, with the ability to adjust your delivery frequency or cancel anytime. The flexibility in their service stands out, as some competitors lock you into longer contracts. Next up, customer service. Maui Pineapple Store is known for offering excellent customer service, with fast responses to queries and a hassle-free return policy. This is something that is often lacking with other fruit delivery services, where customers report slow responses or lack of support when something goes wrong. If you ever run into an issue, you can trust Maui Pineapple to take care of it promptly. The sixth thing to know is about sustainability. If you're concerned about the environmental impact, Maui Pineapple Store stands out for its commitment to sustainability. Their pineapples are grown with eco-friendly farming practices, and they focus on reducing packaging waste. Compared to other companies, this is a big advantage if you're someone who values environmental responsibility in their purchases. Finally, let's talk about price. Maui Pineapple Store is competitive with other specialty pineapple brands, but offers better value when you take into account the quality and shipping speed. Unlike some competitors who charge a premium without delivering the same level of quality, Maui Pineapple offers pineapples that justify the price. They also have seasonal deals and special offers that make it easier to get great deals. So, if you're looking to try out Maui Pineapple Store for yourself and get the best deal, make sure to click the first link in the description. You can access their free trial and get some exclusive benefits by signing up through that link. If you're into fresh, high-quality pineapples and want the best deal possible, this is your chance to try it out risk-free.